Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is about to revolutionize your meal prep. This single appliance acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, food warmer, and more, consolidating 9 different tools into one sleek design. Imagine ditching your old gadgets and saving precious counter space. That's the magic of the Duo Plus. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking perfect meals is practically foolproof, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out. From tender ribs to fluffy quinoa, simply select a program and let the Instant Pot do the hard work for you. Plus, the food-grade stainless steel inner pot isn't just durable, it's non-stick resistant, chemical-free, and incredibly easy to clean. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced safety features and smart design, making it the perfect upgrade for any kitchen in 2025. If you're looking for the best Instant Pot model to buy or want to elevate your cooking game, this is truly a game changer. You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus with our exclusive discount link in the description below, directly on Amazon. Invest in convenience and culinary excellence today. You won't regret adding this essential kitchen appliance to your home.